Jason got this one. Ah, big, nice gold spot cod. Double hook up there, mate. Well done. Nanny guy, snapper. What's Ray got here? He's got a good one. You getting him off the bottom? No. You don't want to come up easy?
Don't want to come up.
That's the go. Double header. What's that? 3 snapper straight up. He says you don't get snapper in Mackay, eh? Oh, go. John's just hooked up. And here we go. Ah, big nanny guy there for Ray. Show us yours, Neil. Here we go. Have a look at Neil's big one. Well done, Neil.
That's just the bait.
Another glorious day, just cleaned up. Had a 6-way hook up, guys. Everyone hooked up, didn't they? Yeah. Yep, okay. Let's do it again. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. That's another good fish. Okay, let him run a bit. Let him run a bit. Over here. Yep. Oh, dropped him, Neil. Oh, Ray's on again. Oh, he's got some grunt. Fishing's too easy, isn't it, guys? Oh, here we go. Nice nanny. We got 3-way hook up on this side.
Yeah.
Okay. Just see where your lines are. Who's under who? Or
Graham's under me there.
yeah. Okay. Just see if you can lift over the top. Maybe pass over if you're lucky enough. Go on there, Jace.
Yeah, I'll get him in there with the 3 of them. Here we go.
Okay. What do we got? Oh, double header, mate. Red Emperor. He might be legal.
Just maybe.
That's all right. Rip him in, mate. Well done, Jason. You're making Mick work hard today, guys. Oh, what have we got? Big snapper. Oh, mate, that's bloody horse for you. Who's that one out the back? Quick. Go, Jason. Quality fish. Big hook up. You reckon you drop one?
Yeah, I think I dropped one of them.
That's some nice weight there. Come on, guys. Big red throat. What? Awesome. Oh, he's a quality red throat. Yeah, you got the blood. Oh, yeah, it is a trout and a big grassy. Double header.
God, you always got to tangle me up, don't you?
Get him in.
You're supposed to be at work today, aren't you, mate?
Say good day to the boss.
Just wondering whether you had a date time group on it.
Okay, calling for a big red.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, double header. Trout and a red emperor. Bring him in. Woohoo. Nice little red emperor. What did he go? How big?
50.
50? A bit small. Got to let him go. Give him a kiss. Yeah. You're looking a bit red there, Ray.
Sunburn, mate. Sunburn.
Sunburn, is it? Okay.
Way too much chicken at lunch.
Yeah. Oh, that's running.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the reel go. Still screaming. Show him who's boss, Ray. Another awesome day here. Oh, well, you're in the tip there. Okay, keep going. That. Half an hour later, still going. Oh, big head shakes. Big red. Oh, still going. Still going, all right.
Wrong direction, stupid.
Oh. Quality. We got. What do we got? What do we got, Mick?
Woohoo!
Holy Jesus Christ!
Cop that, you.
That is a big. Where's the gaff, Stuart?
Oh,
In the gills, in the gills, or
Holy shit.
that is the biggest nanny guy I have seen. Holy!
It's a monster.
You got him? Got the gloves?
Not in yet.
Oh, that,
Oh, you're fucking kidding me.
it's okay. Holy, good save there. That is the biggest. I mean, we've got some big nanny guy, but not that big. Holy, look at the size of him. Unbelievable.
And you were sucking just for that.
We were saying shark. That's a thumper. Yeah, his tail's something to go at his tail. That is unbelievable. You better grab him up, mate. Okay, 9's our best. And he's beaten 10 kilos easy. Unbelievable, Ray.
He's a breeder, mate. Put him back, eh?
He'll be breeding, all right.
Unbelievable.
I might fuck him myself.
Just cruising along on a big cod. Yeah, this is the easy way how to catch fish.
Yeah, I know, that fucking hook, I told him about it. Just watch that.
There we go, just found him. This is how we catch him, guys. Is he alright?
Someone's released him.
Someone's released him and he hasn't, or he's got off and the air pressure.
Yep.
No, it's off now. Hold him up a little. Awesome. Not his day. Well caught, Stuart. That's how you do it.
That's the second fish you've caught today.
Last drift just going over our spot here, the tabletop. Good bit of bottom there, we'll go and see how they go. How are we going, guys? We've got a few hookups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not bad, guys. Okay, a good way to finish. Weather's glassing off. Superb. There we go. Rescue's full again. What do you reckon, fellas?
Great day.
Bloody oath. No, done well.
You want an action shot, mate?
Sponsored by Bundy. It's a hard life.
Well, it was this fucking big.
That was bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't want to boast.
Here we are, 3 rocks, beautiful spot here. Doesn't get better than this.